So here we are going to start our Mandala pattern series part 1. So for that I have made this grid, and for that we will be needing one pencil, one eraser, one pen. That's it. Okay, now let's start. So firstly we have to make this grid. I will tell you in my another video how I made this grid. Just divide the square portion first with a semicircle. Do the same on the second side. I know it's not a semicircle, I'm saying it so that you can understand. It's a dome shape actually. Yeah, this is how it will look like. Now join this semicircle with the down square like this, and do the same on the another side. Okay, this is how the basic structure of a mandala pattern looks like. Now we will make the replica of it. So I have started this series for beginners. So the piece of advice I want to give here is use pencil first. It will boost your confidence to make more patterns. So yeah, this is how it will look like after making the replica. Now we will fill the inner portion with certain designs. Okay. For making clear semicircles or any sort of lines, just follow the grid. Like for the center portion of the semicircle, center portion of the grid, it will help you to make better patterns in equal portion. It will divide it into equal portions. We are starting with the very basic one where I am making circles inside, and then I will finish it by making certain lines that can be curved lines or can be straight line, depends. See, I can understand the video is going a little slow, so you might feel bored at a point, but the thing is it is made for beginners, so I want them to understand each and every step clearly. So if you feel bored, you can opt for 1.25 or 1.5x speed as per your choice. Okay, yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. So now you can use any sort of black pen. It can be gel or it can be ball. For a beginner, it would be better to use these kind of pen rather than going for expensive ones, I said. Now here, make sure that you will start with the outer portion first, outline that one, then go for the baseline, then for the inner designs. Here I want to make a confession that I'm not an expert. I'm also a learner like you. So at the first place when you're going to start, there might be chances that you will make mistakes, and that's completely okay. Just keep practicing. Speeding it up a little so that you won't feel bored, because I've already made the pattern with pencil, so I guess you are very clear with it. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. See you next time. Stay tuned for my next part.